tumbleweed.
I want to leave the snow and blizzards, go out west among the lizards, sleep with coyotes out beneath the prairie sky. Do a lot of quick draw practice, fanning gold and eating cactus. Way out west is where I want to live and die.
Oh, boy, I'm pooped. Pardon me, please. Is this the West?
Who?
You, that's who. Is this the West?
Who?
Can't you answer a simple question?
Who?
Okay, wise guy. You asked for it.
Who?
Sorehead.
Who?
Pardon me. Where do I find gold?
Ho,
Not how. Where?
ho,
Oh, boy. You're gonna get it.
ho.
With my fist. That's how. Take off that blanket and fight. Gold is where you find it, I always say. Gold! I found gold! Oh, boy! Real gold!
Gold. A whole bag of gold. Get up.
Uh-oh.
Reach.
Contact! All right. Come out, you dirty Western type outlaw. You, that's who. Come out with your hands up. Oh, no. Not you again. How'd you get here? Oh, get out of my way. Aha! Feet prints. He went that way. Come in. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Who?
That crooked outlaw that stole my... Huh? You again? Get away from me, boy. You bugged me. He must be hiding around here someplace.
Who?
Go home, you kooky little hooty owl. Get lost. Notice how this invisible shield protected me? That guy tried to steal my lunch.
Who?
He's gone.
Who?